What is stock? Stock is like tree that make fruit. One caveman owned big tree. He say, give me bones. I give you little piece of tree. Now I own small part of tree. Tree make fruit. I get small fruit. That fruit called dividend. Sweet berry. And I no even climb. But danger come. Maybe no rain. Tree give no fruit. My stock give me nothing. Only sad stomach. Oh, belly cry. Dividend gone. So stock can give feast, or stock can give famine. Smart cavemen not buy just one tree. He say, I buy many trees. One apple, one banana, one coconut. If apple no grow, maybe banana grow. If banana no grow, maybe coconut fall on head. Bonk! But still tasty. That called diversify. Spread bones, spread chance of fruit. So stock is piece of tree. Dividend is fruit that fall to me just for waiting. Lazy caveman still get snack. Want to eat while sitting lazy? That is stock. But remember, no fruit, no dividend. Now throw rock on red button. Subscribe!